Hey, Dr. Mitra, we all wanted to wish you a very happy 60th birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. You have
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
have a wonderful day and have loads of joy. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mitra sir. Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha!
Dear sir, I wish you a very happy birthday. So it is your 60th birthday, which is very, very special, and which God may give you actually great life and great health actually ahead of your life. And thank you so much for everything you gave me in my life and in career. So I always actually admire you actually for that, and thank you so much.
Hello sir, namaste. So this is Bhagya. Wish you a very very happy birthday sir. Many more happy returns of the day. Sorry we couldn't meet last time when we come to India, but this time definitely we all can meet. So thank you so much. God bless you sir, and also say hi to madam. Good luck.
Happy birthday, Uncle. Happy. I'm missing you a lot, Uncle. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you.
Bye.
Many more happy returns of the day, sir. I wish you a very healthy, happy, peaceful and prosperous life. Thank you so much for being there for project trainees like me. Your guidance and mentorship help improve our thinking and analytical skills so early in our career. Whenever I came up with any suggestions, you were very encouraging. That helped me gain a lot of confidence in my own abilities, and your mentorship has helped me in ways that I don't even fathom right now, but the benefits still accrue. Thank you so much, sir. Wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you.
Hello sir, it's a moment of great pleasure today to revisit our association. To me, few words that describe you are subtly persuasive, patient, encouraging, caring and a supportive mentor who provided me with the freedom to explore and nurtured the logical and explorative thoughts in me. Your association with your colleagues reminds me of you being an excellent mediator who could bridge diverse ideologies and thoughts. Some of the best moments and memories in your lab were the lab discussions we used to have, and the time we made, the time we spent making, PPTs after your dinner at 11 p.m. and discuss matters even outside of science, be it life and its approach. You have been a very familial figure with whom I have never hesitated, even if it was for making a stubborn decision of being more assertive during making claims in one of our publications. Loud. I can't thank you enough for the privilege you offered me for being the student exchange program on the Bugatti International and the opportunity to visit the US and go to dream destinations. I have enjoyed lovely strolls walking up and down with you during your visits to IISc and in Bangalore in general whenever it was possible. You have been a great mentor and a gentle human being. And sir, today I would want to wish you good health, content and accomplishments in all walks of your life, and wish you a very memorable birthday.
This is Nisha here. I hope you remember me. I was in your lab for a short period of time in 2001, but have lots of fond memories associated with it. I really loved working under your guidance. I wish you best of health and happiness on your birthday.
Dear sir, happy 60th birthday to you. A very happy birthday to you. When I remember about you, I remember about you being a very jovial person. You like nice food and you enjoy not only science but nice food and nice get-togethers. I remember going to your home to enjoy the pizza that you used to make, and Madam was also helping a lot there. I also remember the Saraswati Puja that you used to organize in NCCS and taking other initiatives, very nice ones. I appreciate you guiding through different scientific aspects of science, which I had no idea, and by your guidance I could actually polish it better. I am very thankful and grateful to you for being a fatherly figure for me in the days when I want to get proper guidance about how to move forward in my career, both scientifically and both with some chastisement when I was not doing good. So I really appreciate your contribution in my life, and I pray on your 60th birthday that you enjoy more birthdays coming in and be very happy, healthy, and progress further in the life in a positive direction. I am very thankful to you and grateful to you. A very happy birthday to you again from all of us here. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful, great day. Thank you.
Dear sir, wish you a very happy birthday. I have been very fortunate to be associated with you. It has been a great pleasure to learn from you. Basically, being with you has given a direction to my research career and shaped many aspects of my being. You have been very kind and helpful, as everybody from my time knows that I had joined NCL and I was working with Dr. Ganesh. Then I shifted with Dr. Mitra and I virtually finished all my work with Dr. Mitra. He has been very kind enough to allow me to do that. Because of you, I was able to learn so many things, and really it was a pleasure to meet you. And what I can say, it is very there are very difficulty. I have faced a difficulty in expressing in words my feeling for you. Basically, you have been a very good guru to me, and very good margdarshak, and always been helpful whenever I requested any kind of help. I am actually very, very thankful for you. Without your help, it would be impossible for me to be where I am and finish my PhD. So I am very, very grateful for your help. And since I came to lab, because of being in your lab, I could meet many good people also, like Manish, Ravi, and others. So what I can say, I wish you a very, very happy birthday and wish you many, many happy returns of the day. As you say in Marathi, Jivitesh Sharat Shatam. Thank you, sir, for being there for me whenever I need you. Thanks very much.
Hello sir, this is Sudeep. On this very special day of your 60th birthday, I wish you very happy and healthy life ahead. Sir, though it's been 7 years I have left the lab, I still cherish those memories and the learnings that I had. Those 5-6 years spent under your guidance have laid the foundation of my life. I want to tell you that I am really grateful to you for all your support throughout these many years. Sir, once again, on this very special day of your life, I wish you very, very happy birthday and a very healthy life ahead.
Happy birthday, sir. I am sending this message from my workplace because I feel you have contributed a lot in where I am today. So that's why the place I chose to record this message. Now, what all I could think of when I think about you and your contribution for my career. So I feel for me the real lesson of science, failure, frustration, and the first lesson how to manage people was during that period. I was doing my PhD in Lab 7. The next thing which I really feel made a difference for me in those time period was my presentation skill. For a guy who's coming from somewhere where he has not spoken much English, to start presenting blood journal on every Wednesday in Japan. Yeah, I tried a lot to understand what phase 1, phase 3, phase 2 study means those days. I don't think I could understood well, but you never let me leave that journal because you said you have to do it. So I continued till probably I was there in that journal club. Yes, there were times I used to get frustrated probably in first 3 years, and probably I also disliked your additional in charge role of computer section. Yes, that was those moments. Yeah. Now coming to the lessons which I learned. One lesson which I still quote to my people who work with me in lab. No one likes their boss always. There will be time you won't like your boss. So that's one lesson. The second lesson, हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने भी हमें सिखाया आत्मनिर्भर बनो. हाँ, हमारे को प्रोजेक्ट मिल जाती थी. We all used to get our project. But how do we close that is what we had to decide. So you learn to how to become your own, and that was one major lesson, at least for me, while I was doing that PhD. Next, this is something which in one of my conversation I asked you, and you said you have to maintain the ego of scientists to publish more and more. If not, then the scientist within you will die. Still remember these 3 quotes, not quotes, a lesson which I learned from you. But few quotes which I remember till now, and maybe in a funny way. One of the most common phrases you used to use is, "Do you understand?" Whether it was talking to some of us or to vendors. Referring email to chitti, words like कागज लेके आओ और लिख लो still mesmerizes me. And the recent one, यही तो problem है. So these are the things which I still remember as a funny side. Before I end this message, just wanted to say You have made so many of your students' career, and that's what is needed from a boss, PhD boss. Thanks a lot, sir. Wishing you happy birthday and have a healthy, successful second inning too. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Hope you're enjoying your birthday. Wishing you a very happy 60th birthday. জন্মদিনের জন্য অনেক শুভকামনা। ভালো থাকবেন স্যার।
Hello sir, Udaya here. Hope you are fine and safe. Many happy returns of the day, sir. It's a great pleasure for me to wish you a very happy birthday on your 60th glorious birthday. I personally want to thank you for giving me the opportunity to work in your lab. 60th birthday is of course a milestone, so have a great year ahead, sir. Wishing you a healthy and prosperous life.
Wish you a very happy 60th birthday, sir. You had been always an amazing friend, a patient listener, and a super amazing guide to all of us. Keep guiding us the same way. Sir, NCCS में रह के ना कभी घर नहीं मिस किया. I just cannot forget the day when Saurabh and Pratima came and told me that sir was shuttling up and down to get a guest house for you when I was unwell. That gesture really touched my heart, sir. Thanks for being such an amazing human being. Even after the Agaz dance, मैंने डांट एक्सपेक्ट की थी और you got a huge chocolate for me. I was really pampered in your Sharan, sir. Kindly stay the same and enjoy the second innings of life. Thank you for everything, sir.
Hello, sir. Wishing you a very happy 60th birthday, and I hope you and your family is in good health, which I always pray for. On this occasion, I can remember that when I joined in January 2011 along with Tracy, it was your 50th birthday and we were celebrating in the lab, and exactly 1 decade has passed and it's your 60th birthday, so which we are celebrating virtually. At this point of time, I would also like to mention that although I could not complete the PhD in the lab, but the journey of my research started from that lab only, and I have learned many techniques and other important ideas which remains helpful throughout afterwards. For those who didn't see me in the lab, I am Shabbir Ansari and currently I am in NICED, Kolkata. So sir, at the end I would like to wish again জন্মদিনের শুভেচ্ছা, ভালো থাকবেন।
Hello sir, wish you a very happy birthday, and as someone I know would like to say it, wish you many more fun spins around the sun. During my time during which I have known you, I have had the privilege to see you as the PI of our lab, the Dean of Academics, the head of DBT JRF, and now the director of a really great institute. In all these posts, the one thing that I have noticed is that your ability to command respect and the ability to manage people in a very positive way. It's a trait that I wish I could acquire, and you are a great role model for that. Hopefully once this coronavirus pandemic gets over, we'll be able to celebrate this birthday of yours in a much more fun way in lab. Again, wish you a very happy birthday.
Dear sir, wish you a happy 60th birthday. Today I am recollecting the memories of my PhD time in your lab. I joined the lab in 2005. At that time, I remember I was too scared to talk to you during lab meeting. And I also remember that when I started my first cloning experiment, I took almost 6 months to get a positive clone. But I must say that you were so patient throughout that time and you helped me with your insightful discussions to learn the basics of molecular cloning. It was a memorable learning experience for me in many ways because it not only improved my scientific acumen but it also gave me a chance to know you better as a teacher. I will forever cherish this experience. There onwards, I never hesitated to talk to you about both my personal and professional challenges. Thanks for providing me the opportunity to learn from you and from the awesome seniors in the lab. I'm also grateful to Ma'am, Rai, Reni, my lovely juniors, seniors for giving me their continuous love and support. And once again, happy 60th birthday. I wish you a happy and blessed life ahead.
Hello, I'm Halapani, a current PhD student. On 60th birthday of our sir, I want to wish him a very happy returns of the day. And I also want to take the opportunity to thank him for making us understand between the right and wrong attitude towards our work. Our choices are more empowered because of his mentorship. Especially I want to thank him for all the parental advices he has given me during my illness and also being a teacher at the same time. So thank you, sir, for being both professional and caring parallelly. Lastly, may your day be filled with joy from the above and may all the good things come your way. Happy birthday, sir.
Hello sir, I wish you a very happy birthday. I wish that Lord bless you with more and more healthy years so that you could inspire more people like us to achieve our success goals.
Hello, sir. This is Anindita. Wish you a very happy birthday. May the coming years be full of health, happiness, and prosperity. Thank you.
हाय मित्र सर, आपको बहुत बहुत बर्थडे की शुभकामनाएं। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू एंड मैं बहुत मिस करता हूँ NCCS को, लैब 7, लैब 9 को। आपने देखा ही होगा एक्चुअली कि मेरा टाइम लैब 7 में भी बहुत कटा है, लैब 9 के साथ साथ। और एक बहुत ही बड़े इत्तेफाक की बात यह है कि मेरा जो बर्थडे पड़ता है वो साहू सर और मित्रा सर के एग्जैक्टली बीच में पड़ता है। साहू सर 19 जून को बर्थडे है, मेरा 21 जून को है और मित्रा सर आपका 23 जून को है। तो इसलिए मुझे लगता है मैं हमेशा लैब 7, लैब 9 के बीच में ही हमेशा रहता था। तो अगेन आपको बहुत बहुत बर्थडे की मुबारकबाद। और आप मेरे साथ दो बहुत ही वंडरफुल सिंगर हैं, मैं वो भी आपको बर्थडे विश करना चाहते हैं, तो आगे वो आपको बर्थडे विश करेंगे। हैप्पी बर्थडे सर।
Hi, my name is Nisha and this is Eliza. We wanted to say happy birthday to you and Mr. McWasser. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mr. Winnistrasser. Happy birthday to you. Yahoo!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear sir. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, sir. Wish you a great year ahead.
Dear sir, very happy 60th birthday.
मुझे अभी भी याद है जब मैं फर्स्ट टाइम लैब में इंटरव्यू के बाद लैब सिलेक्शन के लिए जब लैब पहुँचे थे हम, तो आपने मुझे एक डायलॉग कहा था समझाने के लिए कि देखो भाई PhD इज़ जस्ट लाइक गेटिंग मैरिड, और शादी में और मैरिज में देयर इज ऑप्शन ऑफ डिवोर्स, लेकिन PhD में देयर इज नन। सो चूज़ योर लैब वाइजली, जाओ और दूसरी लैब में तो देखो कि तुम्हें कुछ समझ में आता है। लेकिन मैंने तो कहा था कि मैं आपकी लैब ज्वाइन करूँगा, अदरवाइज मैं साइंस छोड़ूंगा। आई स्टिल रिमेंबर दैट फर्स्ट डे। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर द अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड आई विश यू वेरी वेरी हैप्पी एंड प्रॉस्परस लाइफ एंड हेल्दी लाइफ। डेफिनेटली नेक्स्ट टाइम जब इंडिया आऊँगा आई विल ट्राई टू मीट यू। थैंक यू।
Hello sir, wish you a very happy 60th birthday.
Many happy returns of the day, sir.
May the memories of this day stay close to your heart forever.
To dear Dr. Mitra, on your 60th birthday, we want to say is under your guidance and leadership, we have succeeded more than we could ever imagine. Your hard work and dedication has always inspired us and has made us better in what we do. Here are the birthday wishes to the best boss we ever had. Wish you a very happy birthday and many happy returns of the day from Jai and Salome.
Hello sir, wish you a many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday sir.
Singing happy birthday to you.
Hello sir, happy birthday. Roses are red, violets are blue, aeroplanes fly and Fevicol is glue. Anyways, happy birthday. Wish you all the happiness and health.
Hello sir, wish you a very happy birthday. It's your 60th birthday and on this special day I wish you all the happiness and a healthy life. You are my mentor who always motivates me to grow and never give up on my work. Thank you for all your guidance and support and always bringing the best in us. So wish you a very happy and marvelous 60th birthday and lots of good luck. Have a great day sir.
I wish you a very happy birthday, sir. I am so blessed to have mentor like you, and you have supported so much in my PhD. Thanks, and once again, a very happy birthday.
Hello, Mitra sir. Many happy returns of the day. I hope you are having a great time. I like to congratulate you on your success and wish to see you spearheading Indian science for many years to come. I wish you all the best. Thanks for letting me hang out in Lab 7 where I made some friends for life. I always remember you fondly. Have a nice time.
Ha ha ha!